Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uh, add some color to the i3 block status bar. If you are running i3 window manager and the status bar you are seeing at the top, it is a i3 block status bar. I'm basically sticking with something which I like. So from the very beginning, I ran week for i3 status, which come bundles with i3 window manager. And once I discover i3 blocks, I never look back. So from that point onwards, it stick there. I never tried other stuff and all this stuff like other people do. So basically pretty boring stuff in a sense. I stick with this particular window manager. I stick with this particular status bar. What you are seeing, it has different variant over the years. I sometimes add, sometimes chopped, but basic thing, whatever you are seeing here, except when I play music, there will be another icon, another section for music, showing music and all this stuff. Okay, so otherwise this is the standard i3 block bar I have on my system. So today I'm going to show you, but by default the colors you are seeing, it is not there. So I have to put some mechanism to get this color behind the text. I need to change the text color sometime. And not only text color, the background color is more important, as you can see, to get the front end text more vivid to that. So without further ado, let me get into my terminal and say for instance, if I wanted to see how the coloring look like, or what is the mechanism, basically the same mechanism applied to different module. If you think, see, I have a disk related module, I have a process related module, I have a memory related module, I have a weather module, I have a network Wi-Fi module, I have a battery section, I have a CPU section, I have a date and all this stuff, right? So by the way, my i3 block, this status bar configuration and the entire i3 window manager configuration, it is uploaded there in GitHub under my name. There is a repository for i3 block, which is called i3wm, where all the script related to that are posted there. You can have a look at those. And you can file my i3 config file in .file repository. Anyway, the point is to do this particular video is to show you how you can add background color to a specific module on an i3 block status bar. Okay, so to do that, let me open up a say for instance memory, say, see, this is very simple. You can see this is a very small script, which is basically the memory module. You can see it on yellow background. Okay, so as I say to you, the background color to the i3 module by default not there, so you need to put some mechanism to get it. Okay, so this is the mechanism, simply echoing this Pango syntax. Okay, so and I provided the hex value of the color. Okay, to and this is the Unicode icon, whatever you are seeing on the panel top. The memory module script is, I have opened it, and the memory module is signified with the yellow background color. Okay, so this is how simple Pango script, Pango specification I have mentioned here, right? Just to get the yellow stuff. Okay, so likewise, like this script, every other script, as you can see on the status bar, the disk module, the process module, the weather module, every other module, at least 4 of them has got a background color. Okay, so those four script has got the similar line like this. Only difference is that the color value will be different and the icon will be different. As simple as that. Okay, so this is just a one line that is echoing and the execution of this particular Pango syntax. I hope you know what is Pango is, right? So this is how you get the background color, so the front color, the text color will become much more vivid. You can tweak it, it's very easy to do that, but this is how you need to put that. There must be some other way, but this is how I find it. I do it for myself to get the i3 blocks module colorized. Okay, few of them doesn't have it, like the weather module or the network module or the CPU module or something like that, because I haven't done so or don't think it was required. So that's why. So this is basically one thing. Now, say for instance, if you wanted to see, here is a very nice I don't know whether you know about it or not. If you visit this particular website, I'll give you the description below, the link of this particular website, so you can have a look at it if you're looking for some color related stuff in i3. Mind you, I'm running i3 as bare bone. There is no DE underlying this this i3 window manager. Okay, so so you can see there are different value, or I think if I open it on Firefox, it would be much better. So you can see, so basically in the config for IT config file, the section you are seeing on the right hand side, that has to be manipulated with the color hex value, so you get your color according to your need. Okay, see, let me show you. See, this is how this particular website look like, so you can get a sense or you can get an idea about the hex value of that particular color, so you can go ahead and manipulate your i3 config with this color combination. Okay, so it will be good for you to get all this stuff done in i3 config file. Okay, so this is the site when I started using it many years ago. Then I hop onto this site and I like the idea, so I get the stuff from here and incorporate it into my i3 config file. That's why I'm giving you this suggestion. I'll put the description, a link of this particular website in the description section, so you can have a look at it. But as I shown to you, you need to do the stuff like I shown to you to get the i3 block module background color and front color. You need to put a line like I shown to you. You can find that particular stuff in the i3wm repository and GitHub, which I also give the link in the description section, so you might check it out. So you can beautify your window manager with little bit of effort, with some sort of guidance. Okay, so I hope it'll interest some people. That's why I'm making this video.